Alright, for today's tournament, we're playing Mount Malarayat. So front 9 would be in Lobo. Tapos our second 9 would be in Malipunyo. So yeah, hole number 1 kami. I think the tournament format is system 36. So we are 1B. So second flight kami. I think we're playing the white tees today. So first hole sa Lobo is 322 yards. Dog leg ride. Hi! Ganda naman nun. Nakakaganda ng umaga. The pin is here. So the play is aim for those trees. Then if it fades, then perfect. If not, then that tree naman is still playable. Okay. Okay lang, fairway brother. Srixon, Z-Star. Ganda! Lusot! Huwag ka lang umabot sa bunker. Yeah, ganda. Good shot. Okay, the aim is, or the play is, aim for that tree. Yan. Just in case it fades. Sakto siya. Para sobra yung shot. Nagsabi ng mukha, di ko sipo, hindi.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yun?
Okay lang po.
Nasa kanan lang siguro. No?
Kanan.
Alright, so I just landed right off the fairway. Landed on the rough. I'm still 40 yards to the flag. Pababa yan ate, mabilis. Right to left, left to right.
Halos diretso.
Diretso na lang. So, yeah, 60. Okay, I have this putt for birdie. Right edge, 6 paces. Mabagal sa regular, so +1. O firm lang na sa is.
Firm lang na sa is.
Hindi bumali. Friend? Friends. Ayan.
Nice par.
Hole number 2. White tee. 139 yards. But I think this is adjusted for the tournament. So for hole number 2, it's a fun hole. Hole in one prize and also nearest to the pin. So the hole in one prize, thank you for the sponsor JJV. It's a golf cart. Nice. And also nearest to the pin. Alright, so for hole number 2, adjusted to the tournament, it's playing 180 yards. I might hit a... Ang tingin mo sa is ito? Matalbog na ba yung green? Matalbog na ba yung fairway? Parang feeling ko sa sobra. 7 na lang. Magsisihan na lang tayo mamaya. Ganda! Hindi nag-fade yung bola mo ngayon ah. Stop. And before the bunker yata.
Come on! Good draw, good draw. Pogi sir? On ba?
Sa likod eh. Di ba umabot sa bunker?
Hindi, parang.
Kita naman natin. Oh. Safe naman.
Safe.
Landed over the green. Mali yung decision. I had to club up kasi akala ko against the wind. So, went over the green. Carried the bunker. It's 20 yards to the flag. Left to right. Medyo mahirap. Downslope yung bunker, then downhill. Kaliwa to ate, no?
Kanan sir.
Right to left yan? Okay, mabilis ano?
Stop. Stop.
Lang ng konti.
Diyan.
Okay, gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo? For
Kaliwa
par.
ng marker na yan.
Ate, paurong ng marker. Sa kanan, please. +1 lang. Na firm ulit. O +2? +2. Okay. For par. Up and down.
Ang ganda!
Kahit ano.
Malaki mawawala dahil
Kasi kahit 400 yard drive ka, tas 4 putt, ganun din, di ba? Bogey ka pa din.
I think the start.
Aims for par. Good par. Par aims? Ah, good bogey. Currently, I am 1 over. So hole number 3, 380 yards, dog leg left. Gwapo ng partner ko.
2 over lang ako, so
One.
mga lang isa.
Lagay mo dyan. Lagay natin dito, lagay natin dito. So it's dog leg left. Ganda. I'll just use a 3-wood. Hopefully I can draw the golf ball since it's right to left. So, naku, fade nangyari. Palayo.
Okay lang, safe.
Basta fairway. Kabilang fairway lang.
Hindi ho.
Very unfortunate. My draw went right. Baliktad. So I just need to take my medicine. Punch out here. It's still 180 to the flag. So mga tirang mga 130 o 140
Pwede.
ate, no?
130
Para
po.
magmabot lang sa fairway.
Aha.
Hindi, I mean lumabas sa rough. To go up and down for a par, it's 90 yards to the flag. Since it's downwind, tirang mga 75, 80, no?
Opo.
90 to the flag. Ay, nakamay. Off-killing kasi. Mali. What a terrible shot. Left with 60 yards. Tirang 50. Left, right ka?
Aha.
Uy, 4!
Four!
Gano'n kalaki sa kanan?
Ito lang, sir.
Okay, this is to go up and down for a bogey. Kung G's minus 2, minus 3. Okay, mabilis. Okay. Sobrang bilis niya. Nice putt, Mikey. 1 putt pass. Okay, hole number 4. Okay, okay.
Tama ba?
Hindi. Okay, hole number 4, par 5. Okay. For my third shot, 80 yards to the flag, left to right. Tirang mga 65 se 70. For birdie, 8 paces pero tirang 7 paces. So slightly downhill. O kasi with the green. That's good. Good par. Par, brother. Ay, kulang. Bigay natin. Okay. Hole number 5. Playing 351 yards. Thank you, brother. Lakad na. 351. Currently, 3 over. One hole
Over my bunker.
for this hole. It's nearest to the pin.
Talo ka pa din.
Ayan yung linya.
Diyan mo na lang dito. After ng bunker. Fade. Fade.
Okay. Parang okay.
Okay, Mr. Cass, 105 yards to the flag. Kanan lang. Hindi kasi yung lie mo talaga brother pa kanan. Ball below your feet eh. First decent drive of the day. 66 yards to the flag. Left to right ate no?
Yes po.
Tirang mga 55.
Tama na. Okay.
Nakasak na.
Man!
Pare, ano yung ng shadow?
Isang bola pala. Sayang. Okay, current score, I am 3 over. Kumuha na ako, thank you. Hole number 6. It's playing 355 yards from the white tees. Aim is go over that trees if it's going to fade those pine trees. The pin is here, the green.
Nice shot.
Ano? Yan ang drive.
Ba yung hinahanap mo?
You go ahead.
Hindi pareho.
Okay. Left with 50 yards, 55 yards, 52 yards to the flag. Tirang 40, slightly downhill. Siguro one putter sa left.
Tama na. Tama na.
Allowance natin ate.
Bigyan nyo lang ng counting kaliwa. Kasi double break siya.
Malaki yung babali dito.
Halos diretso eh.
Parang isang bola sa kaliwa o yung edge lang? Yung unang dahon. Okay.
Kabig.
One putt. Birdie. Diwag, ayaw mo pala eh. Oh, pasok. Ay, mahina lang. Pakimark. Birdie rin yan, AJ? Bird. Kuha. Ay, di bumali. That's good. Okay, hole number 7.
Nado sa huli natin.
Reachable par 4.
Akala nila magaling ako.
Pero hirap to. You can't miss left, can't miss right. Hirap yung slopes ng green. Ang live score namin ni Mr. Cass.
Live score. Huwag mo yan eh. Mamaya iiwan na yun.
Ang ganda pa score mo ah. 5 over ka lang eh.
Bago ka ng bago sa akin.
5 over ka lang brother. Ako 3.
Usually yan sa second hole, 5 over
Sayang.
na ako.
Okay, hole number 7 from the white tees. It's 267 yards. Downwind pa. So, let's try. Let's use a 3-wood. Try to go for it. Gigil.
Behind?
Ganda ng mga patama, Mikey ah. Talagang ang tindi ng secret practice mo ah. Parang 72 holes yung tournament mo ah. Nice shot, brother.
Nice shot, sir. Ganda.
Parang nasa... Sayang. That was a very good 3-wood. Patong. Well, semi-patong. I landed on the fringe. Well, hindi carry. Hi! Hi, Z! Shout out sa aking friend, Zahir Carpets. Ha? Eagle yan! Eagle Oh! Okay, for 3-wood putting. Okay. 20 paces, pero ang laki ng uphill dito. Siguro plus. Doon sa may harap, doon sa may butas parang with the grain na eh, no? Kailangan iangat ko lang dito. Mga palong pot na 23 pesos. Plus 3, plus 4.
Plus 3 lang.
Plus 3. Okay, come on for eagle. Shout out pala sa aking caddy. Hi Ate Chris, hi ka naman sa vlog.
Hi.
Hanapin nyo si Ate Chris. Babait, masipag, magaling magbasa. Tama ba ate? Hindi humihingi ng tip. Ay, mali. Joke lang. 23. Diretso na ate.
Oho. Ipasok mo! Ay, sayang! Ay!
Parang yung damo left to right ate. Pero yung brake right to left. Gitnang gitna na. Tama no? Yung damo pag ganun di ba? Tapos yung brake. Okay. Hindi kailangan i-firm to. Pababa no?
Pababa na agad.
Okay. For birdie, 4 paces. Gitnang gitna.
Go!
Ay, nako, sayang. Hindi ko pa na easy birdie na sana yan. Okay lang. Okay, still 3 over. Hole number 8. This is a fun hole. Regularly, it's 116 yards. Pero, since it's a tournament, there's a fun hole. It's a fun hole. There's a hole-in-one sponsor. I think this is the
Easy lang ng SM kasi.
ito yata yung Marriott sa Indonesia yata, parang gano'n.
Kasama ba flight?
Oo. Ay, yata, hindi ko alam. Roro yata, Roro. Parang ako ate 9 at saka pitching. Tingnan natin yung mga palo nila. Okay. It's playing 158 to the flag, pero it's downwind. So I'm in between a pitching wedge and a 9-iron. Let's see. Basta mix profit. Kaliwa, naku, flower bed.
Telecom contracting kami sa
Oh,
telecom.
ganda ng patama, sakto Go!
Nice.
Wow! Matindi na secret practice na itong taong to Ay, shot brother. Fade.
Nice shot.
Maganda yan.
Hindi ho. Nagbite lang. Nice shot, sir.
All in one.
Bite mo dyan. Okay.
Pinhaya tayo, sayang.
Everyone is spotting for birdie. Oo nga, malaki right. Right to left, side hill. More than a grip ate, no?
Side hill, downhill, dito.
Ayun, sakto yun. Tinitingnan ko, kulang lang ako ng konti. Kung sa is, tirang sa is pa rin.
Hindi ho. Mabilis doon. Side hill nagaganon.
Okay, so 5 lang, -1.
Laki kasi ng downhill. Oh, bubulus ko.
Pasok! Birdie!
Sayang.
Sayang! Ang ganda na
Sayang.
Ang hina, Luigi! Naku, hina.
Shot But it's a first.
Okay, hole number 9, par 5, 446 yards. Dog leg right. Still no birdies. Currently 3 over. Shout out sa aking friends, AJ, and hello to the channel, and Ames, and ating mga friends. Ay, too much right. Oh, okay. May tubig here. So the aim is here, or at least try to fade the golf ball. So I'll try to fade a hybrid. Subukan natin. Eh, dumiretso. Mala Riot. Lubo, hole number 9. Very bad break. I landed there. fried egg on the lip. I don't know. Well, I'll just try to get it out. Okay, I'm most likely I'll just hit a 50-degree wedge. Aim for that white stick over there. Hopefully, mailabas ko.
Nice out.
Okay na yan. Angat! Bounce! Splash. I'm very happy na rin with that out. Very difficult lie and stance. I'm still left with 175 yards to the pin. Yan yung pin nasa middle. Slightly downwind. Pero just to be safe, I'm hitting a 7-iron. Better long than short.
Left mo, left mo. Left mo.
Sobra pa nga. Mr. Cass to go up and down. This is one of the best views. Go, go! Bunker. Just landed over the green, right side. 26 yards to the flag. I will try to nip it. Left to right ba ito, ate?
Right to left, sir.
Right to left.
Friends lang ng green.
Mabilis, ano?
Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan? Sabay ba to?
Oho, oho. Pero dyan lang sa edge ng green ng bagsak.
Okay, go up and down. It's left to right. 7 paces. Halos isang grip.
Nice.
Pasok din. Ay, bumali sa dulo.
Good.
That's good, Mikey. Okay. Start of the back 9 or second 9 sa Malipunyo. Hole number 9. 352 yards. I am still... That was a very lucky up and down. I am now 4 over. Hopefully, I can continue playing okay. Then, tag mo dito.
Transmission line.
Birdies naman. And dog leg left. Going for the tiger line. Ang linya ate dito, no? Itong mga puno.
Bunker na yan sa gitnang yan.
Dun mismo? O pwedeng kaliwa pa
Pwede
nun?
kaliwa pa lang.
Okay, dito over the trees.
Aha.
Okay, let's try. Let's subok.
Four!
Ha? Delikado ba yan?
Hindi naman ho, may tao doon sa kaliwa. Okay. Okay, nice.
Kaliwa ng bunker. Safe. Mr. Cass. 124 yards. I am around 70 yards to the flag.
Laylay. Kaya nga. Ganda.
Go, 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 go. Good shot, Mikey. Tsoko yung pag-una eh. Nakamay ko. Ganda! Ay, bite. Tama na. Good shot. Pasok. I have this for par. Looks like it's left to right. Pero yung damo, left, right to left. 1, 2, 3. 1, podcast. One podcast. Mabagal ah. Mabagal doon sa harap na, no?
Bagal sa regular.
So for... Bumalik, kinain naman. That's good, brother.
Nice par.
Okay. Hole number 2. Another fun hole. Regular, on a normal day, it's 134 sa YTs. Pero since it's a tournament, it's playing 165 yards against the wind. So plus 10. Then for the hole-in-one sponsor 100,000. Cash ba to? Oo, cash. 100,000 cash. Okay. Against the wind. Worth of high fives mga ganun. Fade. Ayun, bumalik. Fairway, brother. Ay, four left.
Draw. Konti. Uy.
Okay. Nice on.
What a difficult birdie chance. Uphill then downhill. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So mga tirang 20. Tapos it will go downhill na here. Trickle down. So tirang 20. Okay, let's see. I just need to hit this close.
Naku, kulang pa.
Sakto, yun, shoot! Doon ko in-aim! Grabe, sobrang bagal pala dito. Okay, medyo mahirap talaga yung putt ko, sobrang short. I went to where I was aiming, yan. Okay, 7 paces. Ah, ano ba yung sinabi ko? -1 lang, no? 7. Okay, 1 grip sa right.
Yes, par pa rin.
Nice one.
Ano yung ate? Good putt. One putt cast. That was a good putt. That was a good up and down. Okay. Buti na lang nalilinya ako ng tama. Currently I'm 4 over pero I saw the scoreboard. Si Philip pa rin ang leading. He's even par. Pero malayo pa yata ako. So, pero at least enjoy lang. Mahaba pa. It's the whole back nine. Hopefully I can make birdies this round. And then shout out sa aming mga caddies. And hi ate. Si Ate Chris nag-hi na ya. Si Ate Chris ang aking caddy. Ate.
Hello po.
Ate.
Lilian.
Ate. Mashy siya, shy. Okay, shy. Si Ate Chris hindi na iya eh. Oh, hindi na iya si Ate Chris. Okay, so hole number 12 is another par 4. Yan, ito yung mga sponsors natin. Playing 346 yards.
So, gagawa ng bypass nun.
Hole number 12, par 4. Either you have to drop options here. Either play the fairway here sa left or play the fairway here sa right. The left would be shorter option. Draw.
Nice shot.
The green.
Okay, kanan pa ng konti. Okay. Nice.
Mikey still left with 160 yards to the flag. Wait, maganda Mikey. Maganda yan. Gugulong yan. Akyat. Ay, wala. Kinapos na.
Talaga dun sa malalim.
Ay, magkatabi tayo.
Tumitigil talaga dun sa malalim.
Ayan. Almost landed on the green. Ano to ate, kaliwa?
Kalos diretso.
Diretso na. 60 na lang. Okay. 24 yards to the flag. Kung 24 ate, tirang 15?
20.
Akala ko mabilis.
Uh-huh.
Hindi ba gugulong? Sabagay uphill din naman. Diretso na, no?
Mhm. Tama na. 19 na po ate.
Pare, sayang yung pitch, sayang yung drive. Ay, nako Luigi, sayang. Parang malaki dito sa kalat. Parang pwedeng diretso no? Kung G's,
Saan kaya?
firm lang na G's.
Oo.
Kasi against the grass. Okay. Ayaw makinig sa kadi. May konting alalay pa rin kasi.
Sabi sa inyo mabagal.
Change player. One podcast. Ay, laylay. Pakimark. Hindi, Mark. De, joke lang. That's good, Mikey.
Pinaya mo kami, sabi na one podcast eh.
Para hindi na ipat. Ang bigay mo dito, Ate Chris. Right inside na. Firm. Mabagal pa rin. Mukhang pababa kasi. Kevin na!
Sarap pare.
Matter once. It's still one.
True. Baka ma-short eh. Technically.
Diba? So it's still one podcast, man. Hindi mo eh.
Laylay! Buti na lang.
Muntik na.
Naku, muntik pa. At least I was able to par that. Sayang hindi ko ma-take advantage yung mga drives ko. Hindi ko madikit yung mga pitch and chip ko. Pero at least I am still saving par. No added score. Hole number 13 is a par 4. 290 yata. Around 290 yards. Dog leg right. 290. Pero the pin, yan. Ay, alam ko it's right behind those trees there. So, plus it's against the wind. So, subok, ipa, cut.
Good rough, baby. Cut, baby. Naku.
Hindi gumana ang aking cut. I'm still left with 90 yards to the flag. Ball slightly below my feet, so pupunta to sa kanan. So aim. Sa may nyog, no? Gitna ng dalawang nyog. Okay, full swing, 60-degree wedge. Sobra yata, ate.
Bite.
Ay,
Okay.
parang mukhang lakas eh, no? I have this birdie putt. 9 paces, pero tirang 10. 1 golf ball sa kaliwa. Basta lead mo na lang ako, ate. Baka maka-birdie na tayo. Hina pa rin. Okay, hole number 14 or hole number 5 Malupunyo. Playing 467 yards. Par 5. Currently, I am still 4 over. Long par 5. The play is to aim for that bunker sa left. Try to go over that, a little right of that. Better angle for the second shot. It's also a fun hole. It is the longest drive. Okay, longest drive for hole number 14. Need to be on the fairway.
No!
Hindi nag-draw.
Pinag-usapan natin kable.
Kaliwa mo.
Feeling okay, so as of now sa tournament, si Philip Wenyo is still leading. Low gross Tapos followed by JP. Then currently I'm number 3 with 4 over. Then, yeah, so this is the current standing of the tournament. Currently everyone is playing either 13th or 14th hole. Doc Ryan. Doc Ross. Oh, si Ames, 32. Pero ito lang yung mga naka-register dito. But not everyone yet. So,
Nakita mo na.
oo, nandito na. Sayang! Ito yung nanalo na, or as of now, longest drive yan. Lost by less than 5 yards. Ito ako. This is my golf ball. That's the longest drive. Okay, palang. Let's see. Second shot, might have to lay up. Okay.
Kanan at saka yung ano.
Ah, di ba may tatlo?
Aha.
Yung gitna nung tatlo at saka pangalawa. Doon tayo mag-aim, di ba? Okay. Okay. Hitting a 6 iron, playing safe, 200 yards.
Safe.
That was our plan. Okay, this is the longest drive. So far, it's Arvin Mandigma. So I lost 303 yata ako, pero 300 yards din pala palo ko. 306 siya. Galing. Congratulations if ever. Yeah.
Masasakit eh. Almost there.
Nice shot. One podcast, 150 yards to the flag. He is hitting his trusty hybrid.
Nice shot.
Parang bumab. Third shot, 74 yards to the pin. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Yeah. Tirang mga 65 siguro, 70 pa rin against the wind.
Hindi pa. Hindi bumali.
May chance na. Saan ulit ate? Okay, this is for birdie. Regular lang?
Hindi. Downhill doon.
Mabilis. -1.
Mhm.
4 paces. Okay. For birdie. Come on, Luigi. You need this.
Sa wakas! Birdie!
Umabot na. Oh, finally. Made a birdie. Nice spot. Nice shot. Ay, nakabig. Nakabig mo eh. Nakabig. Kitang-kita eh. Change player ulit. Okay. That was a good birdie. Finally made birdie. Hole number 15. Pero sa Mount Malipunyo, this is hole number 6. It's a fun hole. Playing 170 yards. So fun hole. The prize for this tournament is sponsored by AutoHub. They are giving away a free scooter for a hole-in-one. Okay, sana. So this is playing 170 yards against the wind. So I'm hitting a 7 iron. Ganda.
Ganda! Nice.
Nakuha nga yung hole-in-one. Nice shot. Lakas ng hangin. Bumabagsak na talaga yung kamay.
Nice shot.
Another chance for birdie. Halos right edge lang. +1. Oo, regular lang.
Regular lang.
With the grass kasi. Okay, for birdie. Galing magbasa ng ni Ate Chris. Pasok! Pasok! Ay, sayang! Jay, ano yan?
Galing! Naku!
Parang may nadaanan. Okay, as of now, ranking. I'm currently second. 3 over. Sayang yung birdie putt na yun. Biglang umurong. So, JP, Montenegro and myself, 3 over. Tapos si JP, si Philip is 4 over. Okay, there's movement. I'm now number 1.
Yeah.
Sayang, di ko pa na-birdie yun, partner. Kung na-birdie ko sana yun, okay. Let's see.
Nasa ko yung score.
Alright, so hole 16. Hole number 7 ni Malipunyo. It's playing 356 yards. Dog leg right. Ganda, brother. Good drive. Beauty. With the wind pa. Ang aim natin yung nyug na yan, no?
Between ng yan.
Yung coconut na maliit, di ba?
Kita nyo yung kading may payong
Ah,
nagsama.
doon mismo na. Para sa nyug, kanan ng nyug.
Oo. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Flight sana natin ang champion. Wala pa tayo may inom.
Maput sa kati, oh. Nice shot, bro.
To the flag. Ganda, Mikey. Maganda yung patama mo dun. Pero binagsak mo pa rin eh. Maganda lang yung timing.
So, pagod na talaga.
That was a very good drive again. I'm just left with 28 yards to the flag for my second shot. Hopefully, no more chokoy. Mabilis ang green. 28 yards. Tirang mga 20. Subukan ko inip.
Tama na.
Mas pin yan natin. Happy with that nip. Another chance for birdie. Second. For birdie. Hopefully. Ganda, Jay. Mabilis talaga yung down with the grass. Bite. Bumite. Okay na, pwede na. Pero magulong talaga.
Gulong, no?
Okay, I have this birdie putt. Sabi ni Ate Chris, diretso na. Regular lang, ate. Or with the grass, with the green. Regular lang. Okay, 3 paces to go. Lakas, Mikey. Okay, hole number 17 for the tournament. Malipuños, number 8. 469 yards. Sayang yung birdie putt na yun. Sayang yung birdie putt na yun. Biglang nag-turn right before the hole. But I think I might still be leading. Currently, I am 3 over. Tapos the second place and the third is currently 4 over. So yan. So hole number 17 or hole number 8 sa Malipuño. It's dog leg right. So aim for those 2 bunkers in front. Ito sa likod. Yan. Aim for those bunkers there, I think. Or left of that. Draw. Para safe naman doon. A little right lang.
Kanan pa. Okay.
Huwag ka lang umabot. Bunker mo. Nice shot. Yun, safe. Right? Nasa right of the bunker. Nice shot. Mikey. 290 yards. Diba? Sakto. Kaya tayo mag-partner sa scramble eh. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
I think...
Wala namang ano yan eh. Yung
Walang trouble dyan. Walang trouble. Yung pababa lang. Yung before the green. I think I'm 286. Ha? Hindi naman nag-draw yung bola ko eh. Hindi naman well, we'll see. Okay, for second shot. Go for it. Up and down for eagle if ever. Sana. Left with 170 yards to the flag. Hitting a 7 iron. Okay.
Kanan. Kanan pa. Kanan. Okay, sige pa.
Nakabig ko. Last 2 holes. What a view. Sayang, pulled my tee shot. Just landed before, left off the pin, 20 yards to the flag. To go up and down, hopefully for a birdie. Ito sa harap lang? Doon ko lang papabagsakin? Okay. Left to right, 20 yards. Mabilis ang flag.
Ng dilaw na yun.
Kaliwa pa, okay.
Shoot mo. Tama na, tama na, tama na.
Okay. Hey, make a ball. Woo! Ganda. Bite. Naku, wala. Kung... Bite. No, malakas. I have this birdie putt. Right center. Firm. On reach. Come on, to go 0-2 over. Nice putt. Nakabit mo, Mike. Ay! Sorry, ate.
Yes, nice birdie.
Last hole. Currently, I am 2 over. Malipuños, 9th hole. 18th hole namin sa tournament. Playing 358 yards. Game, sorry. Okay, currently, last hole. If this is correct, I am leading. At tapos na si JP. Okay.
So
hole
you just
number.
have to triple bogey din.
Nice.
Triple bogey lang.
Nice shot. Okay, let's see. Last hole.
Kailangan lang i-triple
I
bogey.
just
ni
have
Luigi.
to... Worst case, bogey. Okay. Huwag naman triple bogey. Parang kahit bogey pwede. Okay, pero hindi. Let's see. Subok. I will try to play smart. Course management lang. I am aiming with a 3-wood with sa bunker na yan. Kasi alam ko may magnet yung tubig dito. If it fades, then hopefully it's enough na I'm aiming for that bunker. Kasi downwind also. Kabit.
Yes. Straight lang. And perfect. Nice. Triple bogey na lang talaga, Luigi.
Nice, fine.
Yes. Okay na.
Oh, di ba? Okay lang. Oh, pero safe ka, di ba? Fairway ka pa rin. Right side of the fairway. Last hole. What a view. Ganda ng view, oh. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Gawin sarcastic. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Wind 160. Yan ang nice shot. Nice shot. Patong yan. Ay, kaya kulang pa. Left with 100 yards for my second shot.
Cross na.
Right to left. Padala na lang atin ng 60 at saka pitching. Ay, 56. Ay, 108 yards to the flag. Hitting a choke down. 56 degree wedge. Aim natin yung pine tree, ano?
Oho.
Kahit di
Yung
na.
kanan,
Kasi
yung kanan.
kanan din naman talaga to kasi nakagaling yung slope, no?
Oho.
Kahit aim for the flag na.
Okay. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Wow. Nice. Yes!
What a clutch shot!
Yeah.
What a clutch shot! Okay, that,
So, 5 putts na lang yung ikatatalo mo, Luigi.
okay, if ever I need to make this putt for my personal record lang sa tournament. Actually, personal record ko lang ever kasi 2 over ako sa ano. 2 over talaga ang best round ko sa Riviera at sa
Riviera,
Navy.
kasama ako.
Oh, Riviera, Navy at saka sa Valley. So if ever hopefully I can make this putt for birdie.
Yeah.
Best round ever. One
Nice.
over.
Good luck, brother.
Ikaw talaga lucky charm ko eh.
Yeah.
Nice view. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Last hole of Balarayat. What a beautiful view. Beautiful golf course talaga. Ganda. My personal record. Eh, di ba kaliwa yan, ate? Hindi ba kaliwa yan? So left to right. Halos half grip.
Alis direct.
Nice shot din, nice shot.
Nice shot.
Kasi yung damo.
Tama ate, left right ba? Bigay mo? Tingin ko rin kaliwa eh. Okay, tapos mabagal kahit with the grain. Kung 7,
Dagras yan.
against yan. Kung 7, tirang 8, na firm. Ay.
Sayang!
Ate, huwag mo stop ha. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung
Good. Back to.
Nice par.
Nice. Nice one.
Natay ko na.
Yes.
Okay na. Brother, nice playing with you. Nice playing with you, partner. Thank you, thank you. Yes, good round. Good company. Yes. Yan, sabi ko sa inyo, kunin nyo si Ate Chris. Ang galing magbasa. Ate Chris, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Balik
ate.
uli kayo.
Of course, ikaw na hanapin ko nga sa susunod, ate. Maraming salamat. Shout out sa kay ate. Ang pangalan mo, ate?
Lilian po.
Ate Lilia, mga hanapin niya, mga masasayang kalaro. Eh, thank you. Thank you for watching. Nice shot. I ended the round 74. Let's see, teams. Let's see, mukhang may chance naman nga to over. Might have won the low gross. Plus, brother, di ko lang pinalata. First time ko mag 2 under sa back 9. Bogey free. Par lahat tapos 2 birdie. Sayang na. Magaling magbasa. O, sige ano magsabi?
Caddy 93 po.
Oh, kunin nyo. Magaling magbasa ng green. Mabait. Malakas lang kumain ng hotdog. Thank you, ate. Tied my personal best in the tournament.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. So, wala naman akong prepared na speech and nasabi na naman lahat ni Miss Cheryl Balls. I really wanted to thank everyone kasi nagsimula kami dito sa golf na to nung sinabihan kami ni Des. Hindi ko alam kung talagang kaya namin magawa ni Miss Cheryl kasi talagang ito si Des naman pag hindi ka makatanggi sa kanya eh. But nakita ko naman yung gusto niya mangyari, he really wanted to unite, Pigpa, and BNI kasi doon siya talaga related sa Taiwan organization. So thank you so much, Lester, for bringing us together and Pigpa and BNI. So I really wanted to thank everyone mo.
He scored a 74 from BNI. Overall low gross champion is Luigi Mariani. Congratulations. Yes, for bragging rights, you have that name on screen. Thank you very much. Congratulations once again to our overall low gross champion, Luigi Magliani from Yes, thank you very much, BNI.
Nice shot.